Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So today I will be telling you that how you can list the subsets from a set. So here I am going to take a set A. You can count these elements 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 elements in set A. There is a rule of listing all the subsets which is 2 power n. It is basically a formula, and this n indicates number of elements in a set. So how many number of elements are in A set? 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 2 power 3, which is 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. It will be 8. So if we are having a set, so there are how many elements? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 elements we are having in set B. So the subsets will be 2 power n. So n will be the number of elements in set B, which is 4. N is 4. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So it will be 16. So 16 subsets will be made of the set B. Here we are having some examples that how to take out the subsets of this set A, which is A comma B. So first of all, we will solve it using the formula 2 power n. So how many elements? 1 and 2 elements. So 2 power 2, which is 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4 subsets. So we are going to make 4 subsets of this A set. So as told in my previous video of proper subset and a subset, that null set is a subset of every set. So first subset will be a null set. Then a subset will be A. A will be a subset. B will be a subset of A. And A and B will be the subset of A. As told in my previous video, what is a proper subset and a subset? So this and this is a proper subset of set A. But this is the subset of A set. The question number 2 I'm having over here is A set is equals to 2 comma A and comma 3. So here we are having 3 elements. We will solve it using the formula 2 power n. 2 power 3 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. So we are going to make 8 subsets now of this set A. First subset will be a null set. Then 2 will be a subset of set A. A will be a subset of set A. 3. Now 2 comma A. 2 comma A will be a subset of set A. Likewise 2 comma 3 will be a subset of set A. Then we are having A comma 3 as a subset of set A. 2, A and 3 as a subset of set A. Now we can count all these subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are total 8 subsets as we have calculated. Now we are having the third question as A is equals to A, comma B, comma C and comma D. So this is a set A we are having in question number 3. Again we will use the formula 2 power 4 means 2 power n. N is the number of elements in the set. 2 power 4 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2, which is 16 subsets. So let's make subsets now. Oh, I forgot to make a null set as a subset. So A, B, C, D, then A and B. Now this A will be combined with C, AC, A will be combined with D, AD, and now this A has completed its subsets. Now we will make it with B, B comma C, B comma C. Then D with D. Now it's time for C. C comma D. Then again A, B, C. Now we are done making the pairs, means 2 elements each. Now we will make 3 elements each set, and it will also be called a subset of set A. A, B, C, then A, B, D. A, B, D. Then A, C, D. Now A has completed. B, C, D. And finally we are having A, B, C, D. Now we can count that whether there are 16 subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.